Fish on. He's going down that coffer. Oh no. I think he went over the coffer. No, no, he's up. He's up. Nice, he's coming in. Oh yeah. What? I don't know. I don't see. Should I walk up there?
Yeah, I would come up here. Down.
Okay. Walking the dog. Yeah. He's got somebody else's bead in his mouth too. I got him on this one.
Let me get that flute there.
Is this yours?
What? Get that. Oh, that's not.
That's not the one I caught him on.
No.
Somebody else lost this fish earlier. Come on. There you go.
So this fin right here.
This is a stocked fish.
This is a stocked fish.
Yep. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Yeah, this is stocked right here.
Yep.
Smile.
Adipose means stocked.
Tilt his belly a little bit.
That's a nice fish.
Look at that hue.
Release. That's a nice, pretty hen going back in. Alright, so I just caught that on this bloop bead. It's a 15 millimeter. It's got about 1.5 leader. And then I've got 2 split shot right above my swivel. Huh? It was a bloop, but it was one of the ones he sent me. It's a custom one. Yeah. The size 15 or whatever that he sent me.
Is that your bull?
Yeah. Alright, so above the swivel I got those 2 split shot. Another one a few inches above that. Another 6 inches or so above that. I have another. One more above that. One more right below the bobber. And a Raven 15 gram float. So my total distance here is about 6 feet to the bead. Fish! Fish! Popped off. Yeah.
What kind of bead is it? Just the butter one?
It's like yellow with orange and white highlights. Did you? I wonder if that boat made them push up over here all of a sudden. Yeah, it was right there. Right in front of Dan when it dropped. Not that time. Dan's got one? Heck yeah! The net's down there. Go Dan. Go Dan. Woo! Try to get up here without dying. Well, Dan, how does it feel to be hooked up with a steelhead?
Well, it feels pretty great. Been waiting a long time for this, and I think it's going to turn out well.
I think so too. It's looking good. No, it's right in front of you.
No, it's right here.
It's coming.
The news interview.
Oh, it's trying to go upriver on you. There, she's running.
Ooh. That's a male, isn't it?
Looks like a male, yeah. Might be a female. Got that pink stripe. Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Your line was whapping me in the face all the time.
Whap, whap, whap.
Oh, man. Nice. Well, first steelhead? Yeah. Hell yeah. First steelhead. Awesome. You're biting right now.
Was it a short?
It was pretty short. Right? What's that? Your drift was pretty close by, right? Pretty close. Yeah, I would say 20 feet maybe off the shore. No, their mouths open that wide.
What bead is this that you're using?
That's a slay and steel.
Nice.
Ooh, underneath their stomach, you can put your fingers in.
Oh yeah, that's a buck. Looking very bucky.
Here, look up at me. There you go.
Yeah, make it bigger.
Make it bigger. Awesome.
Sweet.
Hey, you wanna grab my phone out?
His tail dropped his head in.
All right.
There you go.
Ooh,